guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Amber, and today I'm just going to be showing you guys a short video on how I pack up my orders. Right here you are going to see me put on tags. These are my round label tags that I use on all of my clothing items. I pack them in every single order. They are basically the wash instructions so that every customer that purchases a clothing item from me knows that they should not dry these clothing items. They need to dry them naturally. Also, in every package, you're going to see me write a handwritten note. This is just saying thank you for purchasing this item and I hope that you love it. Also, in every package, I put this card, and it is just a review card. It just says, if you love your item, please leave me a review, and it also has care instructions on the back. So I placed the review card on the back side of the package, and the little round one with the care instructions goes in the front of the package, so they see it every time. I do the same process for every single order of clothing. So now you're going to see me handwriting the letter again. In each order, I fold up their invoice, I stamp it with my thank you stamp, I put a business card in there, and I also circle a coupon code that they can use for their next future purchase. I hope that you guys enjoyed this short video on how I package up all of my clothing items. Please give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and subscribe to my channel for future videos on work with me, behind the scenes, how I make my clothing, and everything else in between. I appreciate each and every one of you taking the time to watch my videos. Thank you guys so much again, and I hope you guys have a great night, day, morning, whatever it is to you.